What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This one is your basement entry on this particular asset. If you haven't done it yet, please like, subscribe, and yeah, join the Discord, follow me on Twitter, all that good stuff. Anyways, links are down below. Yeah, so Reef. Reef. This is a very interesting one because here on the weekly, you can see a low, lower low, higher momentum. Yeah, it's already up 8% on the day. I might be a little late on this one. However, I still believe you're in basement prices. So, yeah, this is going to be a doozy here because if you notice, there is not much. If you manage to get above this level right here, which is 38 more percent to the upside, you're off to the races. You're 126% upside, and oddly enough, it could happen very fast. Let's get a little deeper into this TA because I don't find basement prices like this too often, but this is like clearance at Walmart right now. So you can see here you have broken above your lowest levels that you have possibly seen. On Reef, you have this is going to be a little scuffed, but you have a demand line here. Let's just go from this point right there. Hard to quantify exactly where this should be, but there you go. So anything close to this supply line, you should be pretty golden. You've already broken out and back tested. Now you're literally just waiting to pass through this area of volume and off to the races. You need to clear above 4.8. Oh no, 0.4827 tenths of a penny. Yeah, I got some hopes for this one. If the market turns bullish, you might want to consider picking up some Reef token. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Let's go down to the 4 hour. 4 hour has some legs. Yeah, got some. Whoa. You do happen to have a bit of bearish divergence, which it is trying to invalidate right now. That's amazing. I guess it's trying to round out a little, but it's doing a very bad job of rounding out. Yeah, it just seems like you're making this broadening wedge right now. So you have to expect you are more than likely going to test this top level. More than likely going to test the top level up here, because that's the trajectory you were taking. So you would expect to possibly get up here to 4194 in this move. Could happen tonight. I kind of want to say maybe, possibly. You're currently trading in all of this chop right here, so I mean, heck, getting all the way up here to 4731 could be in the cards, which, as I said before, that is still an additional 36% upside. 36%. So don't let that go unnoticed. Let's go ahead and check lower time frame, see if it's a good time. Not a good time just yet. The hourly needs to reset its stochastic, so you will look for a little bit of a pullback. So I'm guessing your range to get in is anywhere between this 3424 and 3323 would be good ranges to get in. That's based off the volume I see here. So you would see a little curl down, maybe test some of these simple moving averages, and then, game on, jump in there. Make sure your stop loss is just below the supply line because it's respecting it pretty darn well. If you decide to go much lower leverage, put your stop loss down there below this 2975, but I think that might be a little deep. Not really worth the risk at that point. So, yeah, that's what I see out of Reef token. Major upside could be happening in the near future. So keep this on your watch list. Maybe jump into a trade or two. Just make sure the stochastic is low. Make sure your stochastics are low before you jump into any of your long trades. If they're high, you might consider shorting. Anyways, hopefully this helps you out in your own research, because none of this is financial advice, of course. But if you do get some of those gains, don't forget where you found the information from. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Catch you later.